lot of different things you can do as a meteorologist. You see the meteorologists on the evening news, meteorologists in academia. There's meteorologists that issue warnings for the National Weather Service and other opportunities in government. What I do is I work for a government contractor as a meteorologist. There are government contracts out there where they have a problem they need solved. We have contracts with different defense agencies, with NOAA, USDA, and all these have problems that they offer up to us in the private sector to solve. Say a problem is, how can we better communicate the weather? So it's a very broad problem. So we look at, okay, what are areas of the past research that's been done? What is our hypothesis of how we can solve this problem? And then we start going through the whole scientific method to really understand. I look at what is the water content in the clouds, what is our forecast for the next couple of days, what happened, several years and months ago. And so all these things make up what I do as a meteorologist. Meteorologists have a Bachelor's of Science degree. There's many universities that offer this degree. It's either in atmospheric science, meteorology. Some universities have departments that are geography with the meteorology focus, or other similar disciplines with that meteorology track, or an earth science or system science track. So there's different sub areas where you can go. So most have a Bachelor's of Science. There are many meteorologists, especially in research, that then go on to get advanced degrees in graduate school. I have a Master's of Science degree in atmospheric science, and there's a number of universities that offer that as well. And then some go on to get a PhD to really focus in their discipline. Many that get the PhD go on to do research specifically at different universities or government agencies, government labs, focus on the research. The master's is a balance of doing some basic science research, but then also taking that research and going to applications. So for me, it's a nice blend. This degree has a lot of math and science. We have a lot of the same courses as engineers. We go all the way through the math, calculus, spectrum, all the basic science and advanced science courses, and then we focus on a discipline of atmospheric science. There's a lot of physics and a lot of math, but it's exciting. One of my favorite parts about studying the weather and being a meteorologist is that the weather affects every single one of us on a daily basis. That makes a huge impact with people and society and our communities. And so my favorite part is being able to work with people and working with them to help further their knowledge, to understand more about the weather so they can help apply that to their daily lives. My mission statement, if you will, of my life is empowering others with knowledge to make better decisions for themselves. And so helping people understand the weather better and getting to work with them and working with kids. I get to go into schools and talk with my son's class or other kids' class, or do school talks now over video. Help them just grasp a little bit more about weather so that they can understand more and apply it to their daily lives, whether that's knowing why they should wear a jacket to school today, or how that can impact their careers in the future. And maybe they get interested in meteorology or science as well, and they pursue a path in that. So really my favorite part is getting to spread the knowledge of weather with others.